It's like the cleanest thing that exists. It is documenting right now.
Alright, let me set the scene.
Yes.
Yo, try to get the dogs to eat their own shit before this.
December 5th, 2000.
Werner, your goatee has never looked so good.
Even don't use all the peanut butter.
Does it connect all the way? No.
Yeah, this is so
yeah, that's good. That's good.
Do you think the dogs know this is
more than enough?
Wait, I gotta spread it.
Alright, then give me the peanut butter.
You're missing out on fucking opportunities.
There's more than enough peanut butter.
It's beautiful, really.
That's your fault. I could not have thrown that.
Oh no, you got a little bit of peanut butter. Wait, fuck you, no. We're doing more peanut butter.
No, we're not. It's.
No, that's definitely good.
Do we have any other concoctions?
We have ranch.
We have ranch.
My dogs aren't eating ranch.
No ranch. No. Seriously.
Oh, that's where you're drawing the line.
Wait, no.
Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out.
He's not getting ranch. No fucking ranch. Honestly.
How about barbecue sauce?
It actually has like a nice texture.
It's like melting on your face.
Oh god, we need to get cucumbers on the ice. Oh, dogs are coming.
Hold that.
Dogs are coming.
Hold that.
Oh boy. Wait, what? Come on, dogs. Get him.
Focus.
Get him.
Oh my god.
Get him.
This is so fucked up.
They're not even going for it.
No. Look it! Go! Focus!
Oh my god! I didn't know your mom.
You couldn't even give him a real towel. You made him lay on paper towels.
Oh hey! Get off me! Go with peanut butter. Peanut butter.
Can they just like eat it?
Oh Jesus!
Oh, there we go.
Come on, focus! Oh, here.
Don't move.
Yo.
We need to like entice him with something better.
Go, get the peanut butter.
Gigi! Oh, wait, what are you doing, Gigi? Gigi's scared.
Too much excitement.
Gigi, come.
Focus.
Don't move. Don't move. It's just your dog's
Don't want to treat you.
It's not a treat.
No, don't. No, Gigi. Look his face.
Look his face. No, lick his face.
Okay, it's over. They don't want to lick my face.
Jeremy, what did you rub on your face?
Good sit, Tucker. Don't fight.
Look his face.
You're horrible.
Well, it turns out no one wants to get close to Lerner.
Oh my god, they're for sure gonna get sick.
Dude, I'm allergic to peanut butter too.
It's not funny, it's hilarious.
Right now.
She's so scared.
Can I get the? Okay.
Come here, Gigi. You're okay.
Is it over?
Say their names, Jeremy. It's Tucker.
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 Did it get out my plain black tea?
No. Your PBT so
much peanut butter.
Yo, dogs.
I can't believe you guys actually did that.
Dude, that peanut butter is really expensive too.
No, it's not. Thumbs up.
Gigi.
Say, I just got. Say, happy 2 Girls 1 Cup anniversary.